Hello friends, this is your host Sunny Bhatia. Continuing on our day one lecture about TDL training, let us start, give a brief introduction what TDL is, what are its basic components, how it is configured. So let us start with the presentations. These presentations have been developed by Tele Solutions and we are using them for training. These are developed by Tele for training purposes only. So let us see what is Tally. The full form of TDL is Tally Definition Language, as it is a scripting language. This is a brief introduction about Tally. It's a complete business solution. You can go through these presentations when you ask for them on my mail ID. My mail ID is sunny.bhatia@sunsoft.in. So this is a brief introduction about Tally, and I suppose all people who are trying to learn TDL know what are the basic features of Tally. Now, for the end user perspective, these are the perspectives for the end user, and this is a development platform. Uh, there are interface objects, data objects, then there's a TDL interpreter. The TDL interpreter works with the data structures, engines, and then the hardware. This is how the Tally TDL works. Now, TDL is a comprehensive 4GL language. It provides the capabilities than any other 4GL language. It is a database management, report generation, and screen designing. In database management, you can add more fields. You can create your own collections, own tables through TDL. In report generation, you can create your own reports. In screen design, you can alter the existing designs in Tally or can create your own designs. Now the capabilities are it is rapid development, multiple output, data management, integration. These are the few capabilities which TTL has. The language features are it's a 4th-gen high-level language, definition language, singular view of all TDL definitions, non-procedural language, action-driven, flexible and reusable. TDL is deployed by use and not by mere existence. So it is when you use it, then it is deployed. Now, this is a small glimpse of a DTL program. Now, whenever we start any programming language, the first is a hello TDL, hello program. So, in our case, we'll be making a hello TDL program. We'll be writing the first program, then we'll be seeing how it is run on Tally. To just explain this small program, TDL program, the first line is menu gateway of Tally. The description will understand later. The main part is that each program that we define in Tally or TTL is a report. So whatever screen you are seeing on your screen is a report actually, and report consists of a form, and a form consists of a part, and a part consists of a line. Similarly, a line consists of a field, and field is a basic display value. Whatever you want to display is displayed through the field value. So we'll be making our first Hello TDL program through this. So the basic hierarchy of a definition of TDL program is that a report has a form has a part has a line has a field, and field displays the data on the screen. So let us start making our first program. So day1.txt file which I have created, I'm creating. So to define first line, I'm just explaining a little thing that in scare brackets, I'm defining a report. That means I'm defining my, so let us write it as hello TDL report. So my first report is hello TDL report. So in scare brackets, I have defined my report. Now this report will contain a part which will be again hello TDL part. So report has a form. So I name it as hello TDL form. Now a form. Now I define a form. That means once I have said that report will have a form, that form should be defined. So I defined a hello TDL form. In the form, there should be a part. So I define my part. Now I define a part. Now in part there should be a line. So I define. So line should have a field. This is a definition. Whatever I am defining in a square bracket is a defining definition of the line. So line has a field and a field is so in field I write as this is my first program I have written. I'm writing one more line. I'll explain it later why it is there. I'm just writing it and then we later understand what is the meaning of this. The meaning of this whole line we'll understand later. Let us first understand the report. So now the scale bucket means I'm defining a new report which whose name is hello TDL report. Now inside the report there will this is I am saying trying to say that a report will have a form whose name is hello TDL form. Now with the scale buckets I'm defining this form. Similarly I'm defining a part. Similarly here I'm defining a line and here I'm defining field. So to save the report, I go to save or control S is the shortcut command for saving. Once I save the file, I want to link this program to Tally. Now, since initially the Tally doesn't know that this program is existing in Tally program, to load it, I in Tally I go to F12 and product and features. Here I say manage local TDL. Load file on startup should be yes and list of file. Now here you have to give the full path. So in my case it is on I'm writing the full path. So day01.txt. This was the name of the file. I hope it is loaded. Now you see the moment I load this file here a TDL's tag appears on the license and it says one of one loaded. Good. So my TDL has been loaded and let us see at the bottom of the gateway of Tally I am getting a hello TDL report. The moment I go here and press, I get a hello TDL program. So my first program in Tally, a hello TDL program is accomplished. Keep watching the videos. Thank you. This is your host, Sunny Bhatia.